Well, I'm Philip van Noort. I'm working here at Wageningen University Greenhouse Horticulture as a crop specialist. Parrot has developed a plant sensor, and we help Parrot to set thresholds for the database, and the database is covering more than 6,000 plants. In order to set these thresholds, we bring in our expertise with years of research on pot plant and other plants. And on the other end, we do 3 trials with different amounts of light. We do a trial in the indoor room. It's more or less a standard room in Western Europe with a low daily light integral, with a humidity of 60% and a temperature of 20 degrees. And the other studies are in greenhouse compartments where you have a higher daily light integral. And we try to reach the integral of 5 and the integral of 15 till 20. But we keep the temperature the same, and we try to keep the humidity the same also, so you can compare the 3 light levels.